The quiet sits like a fog, it hangs in the air. It separates like steel, cutting what was there. Broken promises linger, they never quite heal. Every word that you offer just sharpen what I feel. If you could fix this now, would you even try? Every time you make a promise, something in me dies. Every whisper is a lie. Every dark corner divides. Every story circles back to you. Every time I come unglued, you expect me to listen to stories that shine. Painted in gold while you leave out the lines. You forget all respect when the mirror turns, but demand my attention when it's you who's burned. No support, only questions you repeat. Never learn the lessons, anger and shame. Run your game, spinning blame, always the same. Every whisper is a lie. Every corner still divides. Every story circles back to you. Every time I come unglued, I sit here unheard, holding back every word, waiting in silence to see if you'll learn. If only you'd speak and not talk through the noise. Maybe we could listen, maybe hear each other's voice.